Hello learners of all ages, my name is Mr. Montgomery. I teach 4th and 5th grade math, and today we're going to be learning how to measure angles. More specifically, measuring angles with this crazy contraption. Now, this crazy contraption is called a protractor. A protractor is a piece of plastic or a piece of wood. It's a tool that helps us measure angles. It kind of looks like a ruler, and as you can see, there's two different types of measurement. There's the outside measurement and the inside measurement. And then there's exactly 90 degrees in the center. Now, how we use this device is if I have an angle here. It looks pretty close to a right angle, but I don't know if it's exactly 90 degrees. It could be slightly less than 90 degrees. It could be slightly more than 90 degrees. I need to classify this angle. So, how I would use this to measure? I have a flat side here and a whole bunch of numbers on the top. I would put the flat side underneath. I would line up the center part. Sometimes they have a hole where you can line up the vertex. Mine doesn't have a hole, but I'm going to line it up exactly in the middle. I'm going to lower my bottom part so that the line is equal to the bottom part. Sometimes you will have a line and it's kind of clear. And I would go up exactly from the top, and I see that it is exactly 90 degrees in the middle right here. So I know that this angle is 90 degrees exactly, which means that this is a right angle. Now, reading a protractor is a little bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you can do it. So, if it is exactly 90 degrees, it is going to be a right angle. If it's anything bigger than 90 degrees, you would start reading the 100 numbers on this side if you're measuring from that side, or the 100 numbers from this side. So if you know it's obtuse, you know it's going to be the bigger numbers. If it is smaller than 90, you know that you're going to read the smaller numbers either on this side or this side, depending on where you measure your angle. Sometimes 4th graders, they'll give you an angle, a measurement, and expect you to create it using just your protractor, piece of paper, and a pencil. And it might not be as hard as you think. So you know that the angle is going to be X, Y, and Z. We have to have 3 points. So I need a straight line, and I'm going to create a straight line going like this. And it's okay if it's nice and long. I have my straight line. Boom! Now I'm going to be measuring from my vertex here, and I have another line here, or dot there, but I'm going to put my vertex here like I did before, line it up here, and I need to get 40 degrees. Now if I do the 40 degrees here, and I drew a line, that's going to be an obtuse angle. 40 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So I can't use that 40, I have to use the 40 on the other side of the protractor. So we have 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. I'm gonna put a dot right here where 40 is. I'm gonna take my protractor, flip it onto the flat side, get it so I have both the lines here. Start from here, go to here. Try and make it as straight as I possibly can. Boom, add arrows at the end and label it with Y as my vertex because it's in the middle, X here, Z here, and I have created an angle X, Y, Z that is 40 degrees with just my protractor. All right, my 4th grade friends, if we take a look at page 263, since most of these drawings are a little bit more complex, I haven't been drawing the questions, and this is very similar to that too. They want you to use the protractors that are pictured in your book to help you measure the angle. Remember, if it's an obtuse one, use the larger angles. If it's an acute angle, use the smaller angle numbers. If you have any questions on how to measure angles and how to use a protractor, let me know when you come to class tomorrow.